Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Tulsi and today I am showing you the behind the scenes right from my home, where I am finally framing few of my lovely paintings that I have created in my 100 days challenge. So I am giving a mini makeover to my living room. I got these beautiful lightweight frames from Meesho. I'll leave the link for the same in the description box below. They are super affordable and simple, pretty much perfect to frame my artwork without stealing the spotlight. So I'm choosing from the 100-day collection of my artwork, which is super close to my heart. So these frames are A4 size and I have A5 size painting. So here is how I framed it. I took a blank card sheet and cut it into A4 size according to the size of the frame. Now the next task is to stick the artwork exactly in the center. So I'm making few lines according to the border of the frame where the painting is not done and drawing few lines for the guidance purpose. Once that is done, I'll be cutting the sheet from the center with a clean cutter, sharp cutter, so that the cuts are clean. And here we go, we have a bigger border. I'll be sticking my artwork to the paper from behind with the help of sellotape. Now all set to frame my artwork. So this is how I frame it. So since these frames are lightweight, they do not have a glass coating but the OHP sheet coating, which I find very helpful for managing the weight. Now the simple task to arrange the sheet and lock it from behind. And tada, we have framed our first paintings. Likewise, I did it for all the other paintings, and now is the time to arrange it. Before arranging it on the wall, I decided the layout on the floor. These are the hooks that will be sticking on the wall and they are super sturdy, and we've ordered it from Meesho. I'll leave the link for the same in the description box below. And of course, couldn't have done this without my husband. From measuring and aligning to hanging it, he was all in. Let me tell you, hanging these frames is pretty much a task and you need to be very calm and patient while doing this. And tada! The wall is looking amazing. I'm so happy my artwork has got its home. If you've been a part of my 100 days challenge journey, thank you so much. And if you have not seen any of the paintings from the 100 days challenge, all the pictures have been posted on Instagram. The Instagram handle is given below. And if you wish to watch few of the tutorials from the painting, click on the link above. You will get the tutorials there. And for more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down your views about today's video. Until then, bye, take care. More art videos, you can go and click over here. If you wish to see festival special videos, you can go and click over here. And to subscribe to my channel, click over here.